Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Those of you who don't know me, my name is Anna and I'm a cosmetic nurse. I like to review skincare products for you guys so you don't go out and spend your hard-earned money on the products which don't deliver what they claim for. So for today's video, we're going to talk about a skin concern which drives people insane and it is very difficult to treat. It has definitely driven me insane for past few years until I found the right treatment for it. Yes, we are going to talk about hyperpigmentation. So what is hyperpigmentation? Hyperpigmentation is the dark patches and the dark spots on your skin. They can appear anywhere. They can appear on your face, they can appear on your arms, on your legs, they can appear anywhere on your body. So what causes hyperpigmentation? Hyperpigmentation can be caused by the sun damage. If you are out and about in the sun and you don't wear your sunscreen every day. Hyperpigmentation can also be hormonal, like lot of the ladies get hyperpigmentation during their pregnancy. Hyperpigmentation can also be caused after certain facial treatments, like people get hyperpigmentation after the laser skin treatments and after the IPL treatments. So yeah, it is one of the really difficult skin concern. Once people get it, it's very hard to treat. There are a lot of treatments out there for hyperpigmentation. Say hydroquinone is one of the best treatment for hyperpigmentation. Then comes your Kligman's formula, then comes vitamin C, then comes your AHAs, BHAs and PHAs, and then comes your Fraxel treatments. So there are a lot of treatments out there for the hyperpigmentation treatment. So for today's video, we are going to talk about vitamin C. Vitamin C is a holy grail product for the treatment of hyperpigmentation. So vitamin C is a very powerful antioxidant. It improves the hydration of your skin, it improves the appearance of your fine lines, it improves the texture and tone of your skin, it improves the elasticity of your skin, and it definitely makes a huge difference in the treatment of hyperpigmentation. So how vitamin C helps in the treatment of hyperpigmentation? Vitamin C is a tyrosinase inhibitor. In simple words, it stops the melanin production, and that's how it helps fight the hyperpigmentation. So as I told you earlier, I suffered from hyperpigmentation for a very long time, and I tried few different products for hyperpigmentation, and I will share my thoughts about those products with you guys. So without any particular order, let's start. So the first product I picked up for my hyperpigmentation treatment is from Estee Lauder. It's from their Crescent White range. Estee Lauder says it's a full cycle brightening and spot correcting essence. It comes in this 30 ml of packaging, comes with the pump, very easy to dispense, very lightweight and non-greasy formula, absorbs easily into your skin. I was trying to look for the ingredients in this product and I didn't find any ingredients. I looked at Estee Lauder website and I still couldn't find what ingredients were used in this product. I used this product every morning as a serum, and then I followed with my rest of the skincare. It definitely improved the hydration of my skin. It definitely improved the appearance of my fine lines. But in terms of hyperpigmentation, I don't think so it did much for my hyperpigmentation. I didn't see any result in my hyperpigmentation with this product. I bought this product a while ago from DFO Perth. So this morning I checked the price of this product for you guys. On Kogan.com they sell this product for $204.35. Yes, a very, very pricey product. No difference in the treatment of hyperpigmentation. So sorry Estee Lauder, I will not buy this product again. So the next product I picked up for my hyperpigmentation treatment is this product from Ultraceuticals. It is called Ultra C23 Firming Concentrate with the microelastin and microcollagen peptides. So it comes in this 30 ml of packaging, comes with this pump, really easy to dispense. Now, a little bit about ultraceuticals. Ultraceuticals make medical grade skincare products. Their skincare products are very powerful. I tried to buy this product online and they wouldn't sell it to me, so I had to go to one of their stores to buy this product. Now, it has got 23% of active vitamin C, a very strong and powerful product. So if you haven't used vitamin C before, I wouldn't recommend this product because it's quite strong. For people who have been using vitamin C for a while and their skin has adapted to vitamin C, by all means go ahead and buy this product. So I have been using vitamin C for past 2 to 3 years, so my skin has become accustomed to vitamin C, so I was able to use vitamin C serum straight away. So good things about this product is it definitely improved the hydration level of my skin. It definitely improved the elasticity of my skin. It definitely improved the texture and tone of my skin. In terms of hyperpigmentation, I have mixed feelings about that. I don't think it did much for my hyperpigmentation at all. So again, it's a quite a pricey product, $142 here in Australia. Not very good results for hyperpigmentation. I'm sorry, ultraceuticals, I won't buy this product again. I have tried other products from ultraceuticals and I really liked the products from ultraceuticals. Like I have tried their eye creams and stuff and they were really good, but for this particular product, I probably won't buy it again. Then the third treatment for hyperpigmentation I have tried is from the brand called Cosmetics. It's their Pure C and BHA. 15 gram of product in this little jar. It comes with a tiny scoop, so you have to scoop out the powder and you have to mix it with your day cream and then apply all over your face. Little bit fiddly product to use for, because you have to scoop it, mix it and then apply. But if you don't mind mixing it, it's a holy grail. Let me tell you, this is the only product which worked on my hyperpigmentation. This is a miracle in this little jar. So I loved this product so much that I finished this jar and then I went and I bought another jar. So now I have got two. So yes, this was the only product which could help with my hyperpigmentation. I would say out of 100, it treated my hyperpigmentation 90%. And apart from treating my hyperpigmentation, it definitely increased the hydration of my skin, improved the fine lines and improved the texture and tone of my skin. So yes, my holy grail product for hyperpigmentation. And I have used one packaging, I have bought another packaging, and when I finish this one, I will definitely repurchase this product again. So a holy grail for hyperpigmentation from Cosmetics. 10 out of 10 for Cosmetics, Pure C and BHA. Another product I picked up for hyperpigmentation is from a company called All Natural Advice. This is their anti-aging vitamin C serum. They claim it has got 20% of vitamin C in it. I think I bought this product from Amazon. Comes in 60 mils of bottle. Comes with this little to your skin, or you can put it in your hand and then apply on your face. Again, I have mixed feelings about this product. Even though they say it has got 20% of vitamin C, I didn't feel that it has got 20% of vitamin C. It's really lightweight and non-greasy, easily absorbs into your skin and makes your skin hydrated, yes. But in the treatment of hyperpigmentation, I didn't see any results in the hyperpigmentation with these products. I only paid $24 for this product and I have got a little bit left in this bottle. I have been applying this product morning and afternoon. Yes, it has increased the brightness of my skin. My skin looks a bit more plumper with this. But in terms of hyperpigmentation, no difference. not at all. So I won't be buying this product again. um, so going back to my holy grail from cosmetics, I forgot to mention, when I was looking at the packaging, I couldn't find how much vitamin C they have got in this product. But when I spoke to the girl over the counter, she did tell me that it has got 20% of active vitamin C, and so vitamin C is in the powder form. That's why you have to scoop it and mix it with your day cream. So Ultraceuticals have 23% of vitamin C, cosmetics have 20% of vitamin C. Ultraceutical costs $142 here in Australia. Cosmetics cost, I think, around $52 or $54 in Australia. And this is my holy grail for the treatment for hyperpigmentation. I absolutely love it. I have already repurchased it, and I definitely recommend it to you guys if you want to use it for your hyperpigmentation. So that's all for today's video, guys. If you like this video, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in next video.